Effectively provide maximum protection to wire ropes and chains with State Industrial Products DuraFlex. The specially designed dry chain and cable lubricant provides complete lubrication of rollers, pins, and bushings without leaving any buildup that attracts dust and dirt. DuraFlex can also be used on door hinges, hoists, pulleys, gears, conveyors, and machinery like cranes and forklifts. Continued use of DuraFlex reduces chain whip, vibration, and noise. By preventing galling, seizing, and wear, DuraFlex eliminates premature breakdown of wire ropes and chains. In addition to DuraFlex, State Industrial Products offers a complete line of industrial-strength oils, greases, and specialty lubricants designed for use in all types of applications. For more information, log on to www.stateindustrial.com. DuraFlex Dry Chain and Cable Lubricant, another great product brought to you by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.